Good morning, students. Continue by the previous videos, computer graphics. Last class discussed about the input devices. Now come from as output devices. The important topic in the output device having CRT tubes. Okay. Already we know the output device. We have in the graphic system, having the video monitors are there. The previous days they have used as the monitors are used. Doom type is there. Call about the CRT. Cathode ray tubes are there. Sometimes call about CRT. Here having that in CRT having the glass tubes are there. It having producing by the tube is having the beams are there. The beam having that is the electrons are there directly towards to the front of the screen. The back side having some doom lights are there. Having one power supply is given. The electron current is emitting that light. They have a display on that is a screen. Okay. Depending upon it is our picture, the some coating will be the password coatings are there. Wherever light is glowing now, password, sometime it is going to be reflect over there. So to call about the electron direct towards to the front of the tube. The inner side of the screen, what with having the password subsets are there, give light. Having that is the lights when I go light will be hitting over there. Some stroke of the electron going to be illustrated. There have some light will be going glow is the glow. The electron be having strictly on the screen, therefore having the screens are there. Sometime suppose the electron can be emitting by the straight line only. We want to move that from as a left to right. Having that is the beams are there. Having that is some reflector will be there. Reflectors are there. Reflector deflections are there. Can able to send the center point only. Having that is a deflection. Having is a two pair of the cathode tubes are there. Consist of two pair. One having that is a vertical and horizontal deflection plates are there. The voltage have been applied by as the vertical plate. The control can go from as vertical directions are there. Like from as the voltage need to apply from as the horizontal voltage want to be applied. Go from the horizontal plates are there. Like from as that is the left. Come from as the left to right, left to right. Another one have there is the horizontal one. Top to bottom will be there. They want to apply the beam. The particular light want to be as a redirect into this one place to another place. Okay, like here. Yeah. Okay, you can able to see here. There was the light having the diagrams are the diagram. The light penetrating be like okay. Suppose you want to move from the top of the line me here. One deflections are the deflection is going to touch the particular point going to be reflected there. Another one suppose you want to move down mean here some another lights are there. Here I want one more plate is there. The plate want to give. Suppose like that plate want to modify. Sometime made from as the plates are to this from one angle. Another angle having this the plate like okay here having the plates are there in between it look like as a hands are there hand is there now we'll move from as the left to right and bottom up to down like from as that is the beams are there okay here electron beams are there always happen that is the 2 points are there here having the electron beam have to be voltage want to be applied horizontal one here they are the CRT screen the having there is the two things are there one having there is a vector scans are there another one random scans are there vector scans something called about as the raster scans are called okay the auto operations are there. The electron gun emitting the cathode, the beam of the electron emitted by the electron gun. The first pass through by the grid, then control has intensity of the number of unit. Focus the focus unit on the particular unit. They have the small spot on the screens are there. In the X and Y movement have to be controlled. We have suppose screens are there. Suppose we have in the CRT screen. Here are middle points are there. Actually, electron gun BSR like here. Here they want to guns are the gun they want to emitting the light here. Therefore, like emitting light directly come to the middle point. Center of the screen going to display here. Suppose you want to move the point to here. Suppose I want to draw one object. I will write something over here. This point need to be come here. So here they want to apply by some reflection want to be applied. This light kit here or maybe redirect into this particular angle for that angle. Similarly, government as the left to right also one angle is there. Suppose here left to right there were movements are done from the top to bottom also on movements are there. After that left to right and bottom top to bottom they have to be deflecting from the coil. We'll see detailedly. Okay, this is having that is a electron beams are there. How the designs are done? Designs the first, the beams is there. Beam having is turned into the small spot of the visible lights are there. Here having the base is there, electron guns are there, focus systems are there. They have to be a send the beam to the some penetrating with the line. Here magnet deflection coils are there. When I want to apply from as the left to right, top to bottom, you have to apply magnetic coil want send the voltage. Or according to the one, it will go from left to right and bottom to top to bottom also performing. After the light you want to be go to the password code screens are there, it is going to be reflecting on the some lights going to be displayed. And I see by here, having that is the cathodes are they, having the heating filaments are they, cathodes are they, control grids are they, the focusing with the having the anode is there. Okay, here having the accelerating by the anode connections are they. We want to be we had here sending the data from a long distance they want to be forward. Long distance want to be a forwarded here. Long distance need to be forwarded. Electron beam path compromise the same way only. Here, detail come here. Okay, come to third diagram. This from as the CRT. I said now here the electron beams are the basis. The connection pins are the electron and emitting the light. Focusing unit. Here I look like the torchlights are the torchlight. You know a torchlight? The torchlights are there. Like suppose here beams are there. Light going to be spreading over there. Okay, the spreading light, but having the central point only can able to get by the light will become the torchlight. Okay, similar kind of things are there. This particular extra beams are there. They want to make a control that into the straight path. They make it by a small path want to come. The small path they have to sending the signal for signal is sending. So having the horizontal deflection plates are they from left to right, and vertical deflection plates are they come from as the top to bottoms are they. Wherever the controlling the beams, they have to apply the top to bottom, left to right have to be applied. This is the important point. That is the diagram. Diagram need to be written very well and have to be explained all the parts. Okay. Here what is that having that is the passwords are there. The password having the decays are there. Light will be as a disappear. One what you know now. When I want the password will be as a light hitting on the one time. Sometime you want to glow will be the glow. So each and every time they want to make by this hitting on the same spot, same spot, same spot, then only that image want to be colors are there. Like you can see now here. Here having the black colors are there, here white colors are there. Here some yes, red colors are there. Automatically my screen always reference rates are there from like from as left, right, likewise be there. Wherever the objects are there, here I can able to produce by the colors want to produce. The black color want to produce. Here I want the when the red color want to produce continuously. Red, black, white, everything want to consider. So many colors are there, delay will be happen. Delay is going to happen. But here having that is a normal monitor, black and white monitor only there. Light will be emitting by the after electron beam, they have to remove. Here having that is here the operations are there. They having the always having that is maintaining the light of the element of the image screen need to be constantly refreshed. I said no, there have to be a one particular point. Suppose having three dots are the three dot. The electron beam send the power supply. Electron beam penetrating the light from the password here one dot, here one time, here one time. Okay, so you can able to visible on a white color spot. I can able to visible three dot visible here. But every time they have to apply the mechanisms are they from the top to bottom only they have to scanning want to perform. Scanning means number of rows having that is a 100 rows are there. 100 row from the left to right they want to be scanned and the bottom side also have to be scanned. Okay. The always having the refresh rate having that is lower than by the password, the image will be as the seen by flicker certain. Suppose I think if you want to see by the camera, in the old days of the CRT monitor with having the cameras are the camera, while take the camera, you can able to see there some flickerings are going on. Flickering is going on. Only that flickering is going on by the only that having this is a CRT monitor only. The password having the different kind of precedence will be there with the range from 10 to 60 microns are there. With having low precedence one having the high refresh rates are there. Like here having there is a passwords, what type of passwords are they, what is high densities are they, and what is high density statics are they, what is that is the I remembering the point 70 millisecond able to remember, but it got represented by every 20 say 28 millisecond the flicker result to be come to you. So automatically the password want refresh on by every 28 millisecond to avoid the flickering. Avoid flickering, some image will not come correctly. The resolution want to be applied depending upon the resolution, number of pixel rate want to be increasing. The maximum number of points can be displayed without having the overlapping by CRT referred by resolution want to be applied. The more precision by the number of point can be displayed within this square meter only. Now always having practice total average is the horizontal x and vertical y will be there. How much they want to be moved from as a left to x and y to avoid the overlap want to perform. Here always having the aspect ratio will be there. Here having there is a yp by ys. Having the more total number of the vertical points are there. To maximum number of vertical heights are there divisible by the total number of horizontal point. Total number of horizontal maximum number of vertical width is there. Here having that is the height, here I go for the width. Here having the vertical, here having the width. They have to apply here, we can able to identify what is the aspect ratio want to be applied. The aspect ratio. Okay, next cover is the random scan display. It is a made up on, it is one of the mode of the CR display. Display on the image referred by as a random scan. So this is a random scan. Sorry, it's a random scan display. Directly go and plot by the object directly. Okay, without having there is anything. Directly this electron beam want to emitting this line and draw the particular object. So having directly towards by this part, screen picture have it drawn. There is no theoretical limit on the address on the screen thrown by this Cartesian coordinate from this the assistant users are there. Draw the picture at a one time at a time. Okay, only one time going to be plot. They will not maintaining by the reference state for them. Okay, here always having that is the image generating by the line referencing with having the any specific order. The process of the image generation is by the reference display files are they always the particular the monitor had to mention the display list, display file, reference buffer will be there and display buffer also there. Having the information required. What is that? Suppose when I had to give by the point. Suppose having the you had to give the one point. 85, 85, 80, comma 85, 80, 80, comma 25, 30, comma 40, and 80, comma 85. What is mean? You can see the point. 80, comma 85. Approximately consider with this 80, comma 85. Yeah, I got 85. Next having is the 80, comma from this on x-axis. Suppose consider by here. This may be as the 80. Okay, this come from as the 80, comma 85. Suppose here. This consider by 85. Okay, first point 85, 80 comma 85. Next point, draw to the 80 point 80 comma 25. 80 means here, 25 means here. After that, I go from as the 30 comma 40. Suppose 30 is here, 40 is here. Suppose consider by 30, here I have the 40. So they want to go to this particular point up to here. After that, again they want to connecting from as a point to the 80 comma 80 comma 85. So connecting the point. So it looks like the object want to be a go. So they want to go to the exactly point to touching the point. We have to repeating the operation want to perform. Go to step number 2 now comes like here. Like way they want to plot. Continuously they want to plot in the object with having this like manner. First time having this one. Second time want to come now repeating the process from the step number 2. So first here come here again want to plot. Likewise they want to repeating the process want to done. So that while doing this particular process you can able to see on the image on the left hand side, otherwise you cannot possible to see on the image over here. Okay, you cannot possible to see the image over by here. That is considered by the display points. Okay, next compromise the raster display will be there. Okay, here I mean there is a random scan display. What is the method want to be applied? Host CPU will be the display buffer controller. How they going to be displayed that one? Here I mean that is always when I want drawing a line, image having the 30 to 60 times per second want to be applied. The usually system constraint is from as a 60 time per second mark they want to marking. Okay. After compromise that is a raster scan display will be the raster scan display. It is having the common type of the display want to be applied in CRT raster scan display device having this from CRT having there's a shift across by the screen one row at a time from the top to bottom. The having the rows are there. That's why I said no 10 rows are there. 10 rows are there. Like here and 10 rows are there. First row want to be start from left to right. We start from second row compromise here. Likewise they want to penetrate it. Whenever the objects are there, that particular position they want here only scanning one done. But they will not on by the electron beams. Electron beams are penetrated by only here only. So whenever one draw by a triangle, you can able to be plotting that exactly where the coordinate want to meet in there. That particular place only going to be as the display the object. Here you may be expecting the question from as the raster scan, random scan display comparison they may be asked. Okay, that is a one question from here from that one. Okay, CRT monitor there is a one big mark questions are there. How the beams going to be generated? When I give by the digital to analog converter through by the electron guns are there. And show from the frame buffers are the frame buffer one is there means I can able to display on the output here. Always here one equal to the white backgrounds are given. When I give by the zero having this the black background wants to be applied here. So 1 and 0 give by the black and whites are mentioned. After having the color video monitors are there. Color video monitor having the look like the same, but pass bus are there, emitter with having different colors of lights are there. Here usually having there is the mixed colors. I think you know the laser lights are there, laser light source are they had to apply by the different kind of color going to be produced. Here the use from as the same respective password range of the color want to be applied. The range of color want to apply produced by the different color want to produce. To commercial method existing produced by the CRT, there are two methods are there. One having is a beam penetration method is there, another one having the shadow masking are there. The beam penetration method, two layers are there, usually having the red and green want to be used there. The display in the color depending upon how the electron be penetrating on the password. Suppose green and red color. I'll show you some other for the color code. Here colors are there now. You can select here. You can see here red colors are there. Suppose green and red. Suppose red having 255. Okay, green having 255. So maximum value is a 100. Maximum value 255 only. You can see now red also a high one and also green also one. Become color as when the yellow color want to produce. Okay. Suppose the two colors are there, red and green only. They can able to come this output. Suppose when I want to produce by only red color only, so that becomes as one. This becomes 0. So becomes red color. If you want to make by green color, you can make by this is a 0. Here compromise it is a 255. It becomes as a green color. When I want to make blue color, this becomes a 0. But here give by 255 is a maximum color. The maximum color means the value becomes as a 1. 1 only. If you give the 120, the light blue color want to display. If you want to go from as a combine with all the color, become as a black color want to produce 120. Here also produced by 120. You see the three color mixed little bit black want to produce. Suppose you have to give by the 255. Here also 255. So automatically this two color was mixed now. So become as a dark black color want to produce. Sorry, it's a white color want to produce. If it having zero now, it is having the zero, can able to produce by as a dark color want to produce. Dark color means as a black color want to produce. This difference between the color codes are there. Based on the color code, you can able to understood that what color going to be penetrating on here. They penetrating the colors. So it's given by the red and green color be using there. Sometimes having the display color, how the electron beam penetrating there is a password layers are there. The beam penetration method. Okay, the beam penetration method having the random scan monitor want to be applied. CRT screen, quarter with having the two layers are there, password red and greens are there. One color depend to the how far the electron be penetrated to the another color. Suppose you know now first light copper is the best. I think if you see by the light, white color light, if you have different kind of colors are there. If you want penetrating, you by different colors are there. I think that some lights are there in a light. We inside having the white color only there. But outside having some different colors are there. Based on the angle of the light on display, color want to be appear there. Likewise, here is there how far electron being penetrating by the password layer, that much rate can give those outputs are there. Red passwords are the inner having the green passwords are there. Give by outer having the little bit color want to produce. They having that is the beam penetration method. Okay, merits are there. It is easy to be like starting by random scan monitors are applied. After having that is easy to the four colors able to produce on this one. And next government the shadow mask device is there. The shadow mask device have to apply by the that is from as the random scan. This come from as a random scan method want to be applied here. The beam penetration method applied by random scan monitor. Shadow mask is a shadow mask technique applied by the Raster scan monitor. Raster scan monitor mean scan by scan, one by line want to be scanning one done there. Here having that is a electron gun, having the RGB guns are there with the selection marks are there. They want to combine all the color. You can able to produce by the three color want to produce. Red, green, blues are there. Based on the color monitor, you can able to display by the corresponding the password going to be enabled and how much the passwords are enabled now. I saw this one now. Like suppose I want to give by this like little bit blue color want to produce. So I had to give by the here as a 120. Here also 120. Here give it 255. So it's having a little bit light color blue want to produce. Suppose I just in the color blue color size. Suppose here I have 100. Little bit dark color want to produce. Dark blue will be come here. Okay, likewise I have to increase by the 200. 250s are given. Here 250s are given. Like if you not come to exactly give 200. Here also give 200. Little bit the blue shadows will be there. Blue shadows is there. This compromise the depending upon this the penetrating the light. Okay. Here always having three lights are there. Three light combination can produced by the different kind of colors are producing. The color table also there. Here I have the RGBs are there. RGB red, green, blues are there. Through by red GB, RGB color can able to produce by different color I want to produce. This having the magnetic the password dot triangles are there. You can able to plot the on screen on there. Okay. Here how they want to select in the color the RGB through the part enable right from as the one triangle pattern color want to produce RGB color setting with all. So become as the RGBs are there. Now if you give the highest value, it will give highest values are there. Now it become as a white. They have in the lowest values again become as the black color want to produce. Okay. The color tables are there. You can easily remember the table RGB color. All are 0 become as black. All are 1 become as white. Next, this is set with one blue. This setting with one having the green. Whenever having the red is there, set with one. Remaining red, green and blue. Suppose having there is a green and blue want to combine. I have to cyan colors are there. Like you see easy to understood. There two colors are there. First I have to be remember the black and white. Okay. After having it is the RGB. RGB. After having the remaining colors are then you can remember by CMY. You have to remember by the BB Roy. The when there is a BB RGB. Okay, first black and white. Sorry, black. First having is a black and white. I have to remember black and white. After that, I have to remember that. Okay, I have to remember. Okay, we have to remember black and white. After having these two colors are there. One can compromise the RGB color, another one is the CMI color. The CMI is cyan, magenta, yellow. When the yellow color will be there, except blue two are set. Okay, when having the magenta colors are there except green. Okay, now remaining only one available except having the red. So color code except red mean as the cyan color, except by as the greens are the magenta, except by blue colors are the compromise yellow. This compromise the color table. Color tables are there. Color tables. After having this CRT monitor, what is the color codes are they depending upon the color code can able to display the color values are going to display. After DVSTs are the DVST, some reference rate want to be increased that one. You have a direct view storage tubes are there. To replace by the password, you can apply by the new technique want to be applied as the DVST tubes are applied. Okay, just behind by password coded screens are there. Primary guns are there. Storing the picture patterns are there. Compared to other, here used as the high speed electron want to use here. Okay, the storage grid having the high speeds are there. Sometimes they have this one as the plasma display also available. I think you know now the TVs are available. The TV having the different kind of TVs are available. Plasma panel displays are there. Having the point to point exactly can able to see on the correct quality can able to see on the colors. How you can use that don't know. When I have lights are there and also block lights are there. When extending the light, it's going to be penetrating with little bit only going to be penetrated and give exact value you want to produce. That's it, students. Here, this is a big topic actually. Okay, we have to go through the important topic as the CRT monitor, and also have to, you may be expecting the question from as the random scan and raster scan. Also, you may be expecting the CRT cause that you can able to write it on the big question. At least write by the 4 page, 4 page. I write. You can write this point now. Draw one diagrams, then make by the explanation about each and every point. Okay, you have to remember the point. What is electron gun? What is the focusing unit? What is the accelerating anodes are there? Then you can remember that very important thing is that this horizontal plate, the magnetic reflection plates are there na, horizontal deflection coil, vertical deflection coil, pass by quarter one, this is the electron beams are there. This is one as an important point. They may be asking about detailed question also. Sometimes asking about the random scan display, raster scan display, comparison they'll ask, comparison they'll be asked. After that, maybe what are the color code devices are available, the color monitors are the beam penetration method may be asked. Sometimes ask about the shadow mask techniques are available. You please remember that having the beam penetration method I can apply by the raster scan display, random scan display applied. Here shadow mask will be applied by raster scan display want to be applied. Color tables are there. The color monitor having the plasma panel will be the DVSTs are there. That's it, students. I will try to upload by some other tool transformation on next class. Please stay tuned on there. If you like my video, please subscribe and I make like and make comments also. Thank you.